Hey friends, I'm Shaz and welcome back to the Ministry of Reviews. In today's video, I'm testing a very interesting car gadget, especially useful for anyone with a young child. This is the wireless CarPlay and the rear seat baby camera 2-in-1 USB adapter from the Minix brand, and the model is called CA520. This converts your wired CarPlay into wireless and at the same time gives you a live view of your child sitting in the back seat. Now, before I show you how this product works, let's do a quick unboxing to check out everything that comes inside the box. So keep watching, guys. Alright, so you get the standard user guide or the user manual that would help you to connect this in your car. So you've got all the images, instructions available. Alright, now this is all you get. So you get the USB adapter. This is the main adapter that connects with the USB socket in your car, and then you can get the Apple CarPlay, as well as this adapter connects with the monitor as well. So this is very important USB adapter. And then on top of this, you could see this is a button. This is a button to connect Apple CarPlay. If you want to disconnect it and just want to watch, let's say, the image from the camera, you can do that. So this button to connect and disconnect, and this is a type A. And if your car does not have a type A socket, it's one of those type C sockets, then you simply need to use this adapter. All right, so if my car has a type C, so I would be using this adapter, and you simply connect it. If your car has a type C, directly use this without the adapter. All right, let's take this one out. Just want to see what else is there in the box. Okay, so you've got a lot of accessories, and these accessories are mostly to connect this baby cam. Now if you look at the baby cam, it's actually this the shape of an animal, and then this one is your actual lens of the camera. Okay, so looks very nice, kids would love it. And then you've got the type C connection here. This is basically to power the camera, so you'll connect it in the car, and then the other side of that, you connect it to the power, either a USB or some other power source to power this camera. And you've got this very long cable that comes with this, and this is basically where you connect this to the camera. And then the other one, you can either use the cigarette lighter socket with this, or you can directly connect it to a USB slot that provides power to the camera. And I'll set it up in my car and I'll show you how that works. All right, so this is all that. At the back of the camera, you've got this bracket that will basically connect with either, there are two brackets. So you've got the mounting bracket that connects with the screen or the seat at the back, or you can just use these straps to connect it. So two ways to connect it, and I'll show you how it sets up in my car. But you've got two options to connect it in your car. And then you've got some more accessories to connect it. You've got the bracket and then this adapter as well, in case you want to connect it to a different setting in your car. Okay, so this is all we get inside the box of this Minix CarPlay Babycam CA520 model. So what now I'll do is basically take this out, set it up in my car. I'll show you how to set this up, and then we'll connect this with the USB plug and get the CarPlay on the screen, and I'll show you how that works as well. All right, so keep watching, guys. All right, friends, so I've set up the camera in my car and I'll show you how it is done. It is a self-service plug-and-play kind of setup. You don't need any professional help for it. So here is the camera. I've connected it with the mounting bracket. So you get two options to connect this camera at the back seat or the rear seat. You have this mounting bracket kind of a setup, or you can also have the strap fixation setup. Basically, it's a strap that sets up with connects with this piece, and it basically is right in the center. This is much convenient for me because sometimes I have my baby seat in the middle as this one, or sometimes it's on the side. So with this setup I can actually change the view. I just twist it and it kind of changes the view. So very easy setup. It's a plug and play kind of a setup, and then you have this cable going into a USB for power source. Now this is a full HD 1080p camera, and it has a night vision as well as a very nice 150 degrees viewing angle, so which is very nice for gives you a very nice left to right view. So looks very nice. So what I'll do now is basically show you how it sets up on the camera on the screen. I've already set it up. So I've done half and half with the CarPlay on the left and the camera view on the right, but I'll show you how this entire thing works. But just wanted to first show you how the setup is, and which is very, very easy to do it yourself. Alright friends, so now I'll tell you how this entire setup works. As I said, it's very easy to set up the camera. It's a plug and play self-service kind of a setup. Now as soon as you put in the USB adapter that comes inside the box, it's a small USB adapter. As soon as you put it in, then you get on the screen this option. This is the option that you get on the screen of either going into the Apple CarPlay or camera. So the very first step that you actually need to do is set up your Apple CarPlay, and it's very easy to do. I've already done it. On your iPhone, just go into the Bluetooth, open the Bluetooth and look for a new device. It's called Minix 2DFO, this one, and just simply need to connect it. Once you connect it, then you should be able to see the Apple CarPlay appearing on the screen. So click on this and then it takes you to the Apple CarPlay setup. So very easy. And again, I'm not going to explain all the different functions and features of Apple CarPlay in this video. All I wanted to show you is how the wireless Apple CarPlay works and how the camera setup works on this device. So this is the Apple CarPlay. Again, nothing new about it. This is the front landing page. You've got location on the left side, and you've got some other options like media and the calendar on the right side. You click on this button, it takes you to the full app view. These are all the different applications that are available on Apple CarPlay. These are the ones that are installed on your iPhone, as well as the ones that are compatible with Apple CarPlay. So keep in mind that there are some apps that are not compatible with CarPlay, so those would not appear, things like YouTube or Facebook or Instagram. But other than that, most of the other apps would appear, like as you can see. So these are all the different applications available. So again, not explaining how Apple CarPlay works, but as you can see, it's very nice, very quick to connect, and it's very quick in terms of the response rate. It doesn't have any sort of lag on the screen, right? So this is the Apple CarPlay. Now, how do I get to the camera view? That's a good question. So just click on anywhere on the screen, you get these two options. These two basic, this one takes you back to the main page where you have those two buttons, like this. You can either go and click on the camera, and then you should be able to see the camera in a second. There you go. So this is the camera view. And as you can see, it's very, very clear. This is full HD output, and very nice 150 degrees wide angle view from left to right. So it actually not only gives you the view of your baby or your child if the seat is right in the middle, it also gives you the view of the passenger sitting right or left. So this is the camera view. If you only want the camera view, you can select this, but if you want the camera view as well as the CarPlay view on the same screen side by side, you get these options right at the bottom, as you can see. So you can simply click this one side by side, so you get CarPlay on left and you get the camera view on the right. right? And now the camera view on the right is not 150 degrees anymore in terms of the viewing angle. You see, you have a slightly smaller view, but you still get the right aspect ratio. It's not stretched. So perfect view on the right side with the camera, and the left side is your what do I say, it's the CarPlay view. Now CarPlay, obviously you can play around with all the different applications. You can have your navigation through the CarPlay setup on the left side like I've done, and then view of the camera on the right side. So again, I honestly think this is an amazing product if you have a young kid, especially with the kids, the child seat or the infant seat, or even if you don't have an infant seat, if you want a live view of your kid sitting at the back, it's an amazing device to have. And again, this is, so you've got a full camera view, you've got a full CarPlay view, then you've got a side-by-side CarPlay and the camera view. You can also have the picture-in-picture view, which is this one. So you can have Apple CarPlay and a very small, tiny picture of your camera appearing on the screen, which you can, it's a floating view, so you can change the placement of this, and then you can obviously go back to the full screen like this. All right, so this is how the entire setup works. I just wanted to very quickly show you the setup. This product from Minix, I can tell you this is an amazing product to have. Again, with all the different functions and features, it converts your wired CarPlay into wireless, so you don't have to deal with the cables and the messy setup in your car. And then, you know, amazing setup of the camera at the back. The quality is very nice, it's very crisp, the colors and the brightness are also very nice. So that's it, friends. I just wanted to very quickly give you an overview of this new product from Minix. I can tell you this is an amazing product, especially if you have kids. It not only converts the wired CarPlay into wireless, so that you don't have to deal with the messy cables, it also gives you a live view of the kids sitting at the back seat. So all in all, another very nice product from Minix. I've tested most of their devices on my channel, and I can tell you the performance and the stability has been amazing. People who've bought Minix products have only nice things to say about this brand. So another very nice product from them. If you like it, if you're interested, you can simply go to the link in the description of the video below. It'll take you directly to the official store where you can buy this new Minix wireless CarPlay plus baby cam adapter. That's it, friends. If you like my content, you can go and support this channel with the super thanks icon below. And if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and click on that bell icon so you won't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, guys.